Team Fielding. We're members of Anderson Christie Incorporated, and I'm coming to you from beautiful Cowles Beach and scenic West Cliff Drive in Santa Cruz, California. I wanted to say thanks for taking a moment to watch our short presentation on winter buying and selling for 2013 and 2014. Great things about choosing to use Team Fielding is going to be that you're getting much more than one agent working for you. You're getting a whole team. You're getting years of real estate, mortgage finance, advertising, and marketing experience. So we hope that you'll consider using us and give us a call and find out more about what we can do for you. There's several economic conditions that are going to affect buyers and sellers this winter, and so it's important to know these things before you decide to wait till spring or summer, because it can seriously affect your bottom dollar. Let me tell you a little bit about that right now. All right, home buyers, this is for you. Why is it important for you to think about buying your home right now in the middle of winter in 2013, 2014 as opposed to spring or summer? A couple of important things that you should know about working with Team Fielding at Santa Cruz Moves and Anderson Christie Incorporated. You know, our company is comprised of native Santa Cruzians, and what that means is we know the area inside out. So if you're not coming from the inside the area and you have questions about neighborhoods, schools, proximity to the beach or to the mountains, and how to maximize your buying power, and where your dollar is going to carry you the furthest for what your needs and desires are, we are the team for you. Your needs are paramount to us. Quite honestly, if we don't make you happy, you'll end up finding someone else to help you find a home. and that's obviously not what we want to have happen. We also want you to brag about us and send referrals our way. Your friends and family are the people that are going to be our future customers. So we want to make sure that we take good care of you. Why is that important for you, and how can we help you and your family specifically? Well, the interview process and getting to know you a little bit is paramount. So what we want to do is find some time with you to make sure we understand your needs, what you're looking for in the property, the types of neighborhoods you're looking for, and how much you are comfortable in affording. And honestly, our level of experience in the real estate and mortgage financing field is going to help you understand the details of your financial abilities and what you want to do, and how far that money can carry you. We're also going to help you be aware of unexpected costs and things that can creep up and make this thing more and more challenging for you. That's why working with Team Fielding at Santa Cruz Moves is going to be a great move for you. So we were talking about some of the things that are really going to affect home buyers and sellers in the coming months, and why winter of 2013-2014 today might be your best move. The fact of the matter is tapering is starting to occur, and what that means is that the government stimulus that has been fostering these low interest rates for such a period of time and really helping the housing industry recover, these stimulus packages are going to start tapering off. And what that means is that interest rates will ultimately start to rise. When that happens, obviously, you all know that that means that payments are going to go up gradually. Fact of the matter is, the tapering is looking like it's right on course, and we're starting to see signs of it already. So that can be a concern to you in maximizing your buying potential. So here's what I mean by that. Projections are showing from analysts from Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, that interest rates should go up anywhere from 0.5% to a full percent between now and this time in 2014, this time next year. So a concern for you is that even on a loan of $250,000, that would be a monthly payment difference of about $151. In some of the more expensive communities, when we get into $600,000, $700,000 homes, that $150 now becomes somewhere close to $450 a month in your payment. Couple that with maybe some hidden costs that you weren't considering as far as homeowners association dues and things like that, you can have a significant increase in monthly obligation, which is going to affect your buying power. So you can get more home today for the same price than you'll be able to get in just a few months. So be aware of that. The other part of this is that although the inventory, the amount of homes on the market is pretty low right now, the concern, there's a good side and bad side, and what you're going to see is that more and more homes, as we get closer to spring and summer, more and more homes are going to be available on the market, increasing your selection, which is a good thing. On the other hand, the challenge with that is there's also going to be more and more buyers out there, so there will be more competition. And some projections show that we should have home sales somewhere similar to the rate of 2007, where home sales were at a very, very peak. So if there's anything like that, then you could end up with a very competitive marketplace, and you couple that with the strain on your budget because of the increased interest rates, it makes more and more sense to get yourself out there and think about buying that home today rather than waiting down until spring or summer. Are you an expert negotiator? Of course you're not. We don't expect you to be. And these are some reasons that it'll make sense for you to use someone like Team Fielding at Santa Cruz Moves and Anderson Christie Incorporated to be your realtor, to help you find your dream home. Have you negotiated with sellers, a seller's agent, a seller's attorney? Have you negotiated with an appraiser or a home inspector, termite inspector? Dealing with your credit issues and dealing with your own lender. These are things that we've got tons and tons of and years of experience in, and we can help this transaction go smoothly for you. And we'll help you even in this interview process up front understand through asking some in-depth questions possibly what some of your limitations are. Couple that with your wants, your needs and desires, and we'll help you find the right home quickly. Again, Team Fielding's a great choice for you. 20 years of real estate sales, mortgage financing, and over 10 years of experience, social media marketing, advertising. What that means is we're going to be able to negotiate well for you. We're going to help you scour the county and find the home in the right area, in the right schools, in the place that you can afford and want to be. So please consider Team Fielding at Santa Cruz Moves as your choice for an agent to help you buy your next home. Thanks so much. We hope we can hear back from you soon. Call us. My cell phone is 831-428-3575. That's my personal line. And you can email Team Fielding at teamfielding@andersonchristie.com. Let us put our experience to work for you.
Well, so whether you're a home buyer or a home seller, I hope that information is going to be something you find useful and why buying or selling this winter might be the right move for you. No matter what, remember Santa Cruz Moves, Team Fielding is here for you. Give us a call,